Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that, according to the latest information received from the Tigray region, today is the fourth time the Ethiopian Air Force is carrying out heavy airstrikes on central capital Mekelle. Viewers, this is the fourth heavy airstrike by the Ethiopian Air Force this week on central capital Mekelle. Before today, the Ethiopian Air Force has carried out three heavy airstrikes in this week, and as a result of these airstrikes, many civilians were reported killed. And according to the latest reports, the Ethiopian Air Force is once again carrying out a heavy airstrikes on Mekelle, and Tigray Defense Force troops are gaining victories in the Amhara region and have taken control of several areas after defeating the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies. And in response, today, for the fourth time in a row, the Ethiopian Air Force is carrying out heavy airstrikes in Mekelle after failing in the Amhara region. And according to reports, Mekelle has been defended by the Tigray Defense Force in these airstrikes. It is reported that the airstrikes was not successful as Tigray Defense Force were shielding the city by missiles. After Tigray Defense Force fired missiles toward the war plane, the pilot was in a desperate and left quickly without dropping a bomb inside the central capital Mekelle city. Viewers, according to Tigray Defense Force claim, a war plane came to Mekelle but has not succeeded to drop a bomb inside the city. It has been chased by anti-aircraft defense. According to reports received from Tigray region, fighter planes of the Ethiopian Air Force are repeatedly trying to carry out air strikes on Mekelle, while the Tigray Defense Force has turned the missiles towards the fighter planes of the Ethiopian Air Force, and reports that Ethiopian Air Force did not get any success in these airstrikes. Reports coming that in the today's second round airstrikes, randomly a bomb was thrown in the outskirts of Mekelle city. Casualties yet to be reported, and a video is also shared from Mekelle in which Ethiopian Air Force fighter jet can be seen. So viewers, let's watch the video, then we talk further. While, on the other hand, Tigray Defense Force has been claimed that Tigray Defense Force has captured several Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers during a war near the Dessie. A video has also been shared by Tigray Defense Force in which captured soldiers of the Ethiopian National Defense Force can be seen. Reports are being received that Tigray Defense Force has captured many soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force during ongoing fighting in Haik. And now Haik, which is situated on the A2 highway in Amhara region, is totally under the control of Tigray Defense Force. So viewers, let's watch the short clip of the video, then we talk further. Viewers, on the other hand, tens of thousands of Sudanese took to the streets of Khartoum, capital of Sudan, today to commemorate the 57th anniversary of toppling Sudan's first military ruler, General Ibrahim, and the demand of smooth transition to democratic and civilian rule. And about it, a video is also shared from Sudanese capital Khartoum, in which thousands of civilians can be seen in the streets of Khartoum. Let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.
وعشرين أكتوبر شارع 60 21 أكتوبر شارع 60